going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to position yourself as a high-end storefront window cleaning service provider. So two window cleaners can provide the same service, but one of them can charge significantly more. Why? Well, simply because it's all in the difference in how your client perceives you as a business owner, as a service provider. So we're going to get into that distinction. So the first thing, number one, is you need to look professional and clean. So your physical appearance, your presentation, how you show up is very important. For example, to be perceived as a professional, you should have a uniform. You should have a polo with your business logo on there. You should have clean pants or shorts. Your equipment should be organized and put together well. A lower end storefront window cleaning service provider may come with, tons of tools, all disorganized. He doesn't have a uniform. He just has a regular t-shirt. He's got dirty towels thrown over his shoulders. He doesn't put effort in to make himself look like a professional. So to be able to charge more, you gotta look the part. You gotta look like a professional. So be clean, be well groomed, have your equipment organized, have your uniform. That goes a long way, because how you look, your physical appearance, your physical presentation plays a big role in being perceived as professional. So you need to be very conscious of how you present yourself and also how you conduct yourself. So be very polite, be very communicative, be very personable when you show up to do jobs. Don't ignore people, don't have a bad attitude. Be present. If anyone's there, have a conversation with them. If people are coming into their business, open the door, be friendly to their customers. That is very, very important. So that's point number one. Point number two is that reliability is a premium service. Most window cleaners are not reliable. They're not consistent. They don't show up when they say they're going to show up. They're gone for a week, 2 weeks, and they come back. That is how you lose clients, is by not being consistent, by not continuously providing a great service. So what you need to do is have the qualities that will raise your value as a service provider. First one is you need to show up at the agreed time for the service. Whatever time that you told your client that you're going to be there at that time, if not earlier. Second thing, send text reminders to your client about their scheduled cleaning. You could do this either the day before or the day of, a few hours before. It's always good to communicate with them that you're coming by. Even if they already expect you, it's good to still do, just so they're notified. If there's any changes, they can let you know. It can also save you a trip. Sometimes you go, turns out they don't need it cleaned that day. Maybe they're closed for some particular reason. Always send text reminders to your clients. Third thing is be responsive and be accommodating to your clients. So if your clients have any sort of concerns or things, particular situations in regards to their window cleaning, be responsive, be accommodating, help them, be accommodating to your clients. Don't just brush them off. Don't, I can't do that, I can't help you with that. No, help your clients, bring value to them. Fourth thing is do what you say you're going to do. So if you said you're going to do a particular service, full interior, exterior cleaning, make sure that is what you provide them. Don't cut corners. Don't just do the exterior or the interior and not do the exterior. Do what you said you're going to do and stick to that. Be a person of your word and get the job done. So many businesses, many clients are willing to pay more if you prove to them that you are reliable, that you communicate well, that you do what you say you're going to do, and they don't have to worry about it. You just handle that problem for them, and they don't have to think about it. And a lot of businesses, especially more established businesses, dentist offices, franchise businesses, they are looking for a service provider that they can rely on, that they can trust. Not just any Joe Schmo down the street coming to ask if they can clean the windows. No, they want a reputable, trustworthy service provider that they can count on. And that could be you if you have these traits, especially reliability. Okay, third point is you need to sell the multiple benefits of your service, not just that you're cleaning the glass. So your clients, to reiterate, are not only paying for the window cleaning, they're paying for the convenience, for the simplicity, for the ease of you to handle that problem for them without being a headache to them. That is what they're paying for. And they're also paying for a professional representation of their business. The fact that they hire you, you are now associated with their business. So you need to represent their business well when you go and do the job. Like I said, back to point one, look presentable, look professional. Don't have a uniform. Don't just come all raggedy. Don't have dirty towels everywhere. Don't leave a mess of water spillage everywhere. Conduct yourself conscientiously. Work with them. Make the experience easy for them. That is very, very important. So to reiterate, you're not only cleaning the windows, you are selling the confidence that the job will be done well. You're making it an easy experience for them. That's number one. Fourth point, this is a big one, is carrying yourself like your price is justified. This is especially true when you're, or applied to when you give your quote to the prospect. So when you give your price, you don't want to sound like you're apologizing. You don't want to come across as unsure. You want to say your price confidently, especially if you quote it correctly. You say your price confidently without worried about them saying yes or no. Maybe you'll feel that way, but you still want to say the price confidently. And if you do that, most of the time you'll find that clients, prospects will accept it, especially if you are licensed and insured. People understand business, understand that you are a business as well, and that you have expenses to operate your business. Therefore, you need to charge enough to actually be profitable. The businesses that will reject your quote, they'll say, oh, I can't do it for that. Can you do it for half off? You don't want them as clients because they are used to paying people that just clean windows for beer money, always finding new guys because they're never reliable, they're never consistent, and they're not willing to pay a premium price for a premium service. So if anyone tries to lowball you, this will happen when you get out there, when you're pitching businesses. Some people will try to lowball you. They'll cut your price in half. Just walk away from those prospects. You don't need them. Those are not the ideal, those are not the kind of clients that you want anyway. You can find clients that truly value a professional service. So continue searching for those. Do not settle for prospects or clients that lowball you, that cut your price 20, 30, 40, 50%. The lowest I would drop it is 10 to 15%. The lowest. Anything below that, don't do it. Because you're going to be making less money, and the people that pay the least always expect the most. So it's not worth the headache. Just walk away. You can find better clients. Charging premium prices really comes down to having the qualities of reliability, professionalism, and providing convenience. So these qualities have real value and do justify a higher price point. So to be perceived as a high-end storefront window cleaning service provider, it comes down to giving your clients a professional, reliable, trustworthy experience, and that you communicate well and that you do what you say you're going to do. That itself is very valuable, and that will justify you to charge more. So that is the video today. Hopefully you guys found value in the video. If you want to learn how to build your own storefront window cleaning route and build an independent income stream for yourself, you want to do something on your own, and if you live in a city area where there's businesses all around you, this is accessible to you. This is something that you could start today, tomorrow. You could just get the basic tools and get started. So if you want my laid out step-by-step plan on how to do just that, from the mindset you need to start, the tools, how to clean, how to pitch businesses, how to handle objections, how to frame recurring service to your prospects, to your clients. All of that is going to be found in the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint. That's going to be down below in the description, as well as the pinned comment. So if you're interested in that, go check that out down below. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.